Stop scrolling before you buy any streaming device in 2025 because you need to hear this. The Apple TV 4K looks simple, just a small black box, but what it can do might surprise you. It's not just a streamer. It's the invisible brain behind your living room. But is it still worth your money in 2025? In this full breakdown, we're diving deep into everything. Real-world performance, hidden settings Apple doesn't mention, features you'll actually use, and why this tiny box could be the most underrated device in your home. If you're building a home theater, upgrading your smart setup, or just tired of laggy, ad-filled streaming sticks, stay right here. What you'll hear today might change how you watch TV forever. Let's start with the basics. The Apple TV 4K is Apple's premium streaming box, running on the A15 Bionic chip. That's the same chip used in the iPhone 13, which means it's incredibly fast and efficient. You get buttery smooth navigation, instant app loading, and a complete lack of lag that makes it feel more like a mini computer than a streaming stick. It supports 4K resolution with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos audio, giving you not just sharper visuals but deeper contrast and immersive sound that wraps around you. But power alone doesn't make this device special. The real magic is in how it connects your entire Apple world. Walk into your living room, your iPhone connects instantly, your HomePod recognizes you, your AirPods pair automatically, and you can control everything from your wrist or your phone. That's not just convenience, that's Apple's ecosystem at work. And when it's set up right, it feels seamless, like the technology disappears and your home just responds. Still, let's be honest. That ecosystem can also be a double-edged sword. If you're an Android user, you can absolutely use the Apple TV 4K, but you'll miss out on features like AirPlay mirroring or automatic syncing with Apple devices. Yet, even without those perks, the box still delivers an experience that's smoother than almost anything else. The A15 chip ensures no lag, no freezing, and no weird buffering pauses even during 4K HDR streams. Where other devices stutter or bombard you with ads, Apple TV 4K feels calm, quiet, and focused. That's why many reviewers say it's not just a streaming device. It's the luxury experience of streaming. Now, the remote, the new Siri remote, is sleek aluminum, rechargeable via USB-C, and features both tactile buttons and a touch-enabled click pad. It looks simple, but don't underestimate it. You can scrub through a movie frame by frame, use Siri to find content, or control your entire smart home with your voice. You can say, "Siri, dim the lights," open Netflix, or show me action movies in 4K, and it just works. The one complaint? It's small, easy to lose in couch cushions. But here's a pro tip. Enable the Find My Remote feature if you pair it with iOS 18. It literally makes your iPhone guide you to the remote with sound and on-screen directions. Problem solved. Let's talk visuals. The Apple TV 4K supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and high frame rate HDR up to 60 FPS. But here's the catch. If you just plug it in and start streaming, you're probably not getting the best picture. Apple defaults to 60 Hz SDR for stability, which is fine, but if you want that true cinematic feel, you must enable Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate in settings. That makes your TV switch to the exact format the content was mastered in. The result? Natural motion, accurate colors, and none of that fake soap opera effect that ruins films. You'll literally see the difference. Darker blacks, smoother panning shots, and more depth. Pair that with a good HDMI 2.1 cable and a TV that supports Dolby Vision, and your setup instantly looks more premium. Now let's talk sound, because Apple doesn't just care about what you see, but what you hear. With Dolby Atmos support, the Apple TV 4K can fill your room with multi-dimensional sound, even from a compact soundbar or a HomePod pair. Explosions sound like they're moving across the room, voices are crisp, and background details become alive. If you have HomePods, you can pair them wirelessly for perfect sync, no lag, no cables. For those who don't have an Atmos setup, even standard stereo output from Apple TV sounds cleaner because the device processes audio before sending it out. Balancing peaks and clarity, privacy and ads, another area where Apple quietly wins. Most streaming boxes show you ads right on the home screen. Apple TV doesn't. The interface is clean, fast, and focused on your apps, not commercials. And while competitors like Fire TV and Roku track your viewing habits for targeted ads, Apple does not sell your data. Siri searches stay private, and you can disable personalized recommendations completely. For people tired of being followed by ads across devices, that alone is worth paying extra for. The App Store on Apple TV is another underrated gem. It's not just Netflix and YouTube. You've got Apple Arcade, fitness apps, games, even ambient sound generators and productivity tools. With a Bluetooth controller, you can play Apple Arcade games like Oceanhorn 2 or Sonic Racing right from your couch. They load quickly, look sharp, and run smoothly thanks to the A15 chip. And if you're into fitness, Apple Fitness Plus integrates perfectly, displaying your heart rate and progress from your Apple Watch right on the TV while you work out. It's the kind of synergy that's hard to beat. Here are some pro tips most people never discover. Number 1, turn on match content settings. It ensures movies and shows play in their native format. Number 2, go into audio settings and enable reduce loud sounds if your family complains about explosions waking them up. Number 3, in AirPlay, set allow access to same network so random guests can't accidentally stream to your TV. And number 4, change subtitle styles and accessibility to make text readable for late-night viewing. These small changes turn an already good experience into a great one. Let's debunk a few myths. Some people think Apple TV 4K is only for Apple users. Not true. It works perfectly with Android phones for basic streaming and screen mirroring through third-party apps. Others say it's overpriced. But consider this. Most cheap streaming sticks slow down or stop getting updates after 2 or 3 years. Apple TV 4K will receive tvOS updates for 5 to 7 years, keeping performance smooth. Over time, it actually costs less because you won't replace it as often. And here's another myth, that you need the 128GB model. You don't unless you're downloading large games. For streaming, even 64GB is more than enough. Now, compared to the competition, Roku is budget-friendly and easy to use but lacks high-end audio and app polish. Fire TV is powerful but cluttered with ads and promotions. Chromecast is simple for Android users but lacks deep settings. The Apple TV 4K wins with stability, long-term support, no ads, and pure performance. It's the device that just works, quietly, reliably, every day. For testing, I streamed a Dolby Vision movie with match content off, then on. Off, the colors were too warm, motion looked artificial. On, instantly cinematic. That's how much difference the settings make. And for troubleshooting, always restart both your router and the Apple TV if buffering occurs. Use Ethernet if possible. Wired connections are more reliable for 4K HDR content. And don't forget, Apple TV automatically calibrates its picture using your iPhone's camera under color balance. It literally uses your phone as a calibration tool to match Hollywood-grade color accuracy, accessories worth adding, a certified HDMI 2.1 cable, a Dolby Atmos soundbar, and if you stream often, the Ethernet model for stability. Optional, but recommended. A small USB-C cable to keep your remote charged, and if you're using HomeKit, smart plugs and bulbs that connect through Apple TV's Thread Radio for instant responsiveness. It's those little touches that turn a basic setup into something premium. So who should buy the Apple TV 4K right now? It's perfect for Apple users, home theater enthusiasts, and anyone who values a premium, ad-free, privacy-focused experience. It's also great for families who want a simple, safe system that kids can use without pop-ups or ads. Who should wait? Maybe those on a tight budget, or people happy with Fire TV or Roku. But if you want something that'll last years, feel effortless, and deliver consistent quality, this box is still the king of streaming. So what's the verdict? The Apple TV 4K remains the most reliable, premium, and future-proof streaming box in 2025. It's fast, private, and refined. No ads, no lag, no nonsense. Yes, it's pricier, but it's the one device that feels invisible because it simply works. If you want smooth streaming, rich sound, and cinematic picture quality with Apple's signature polish, this is the one to get. But if you're waiting for the next generation rumored for late 2025 with an upgraded chip and possible built-in camera, that's also worth watching for. Either way, Apple TV 4K proves one thing: great hardware lasts, and great software keeps it alive.